Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make a very simple and quick side dish that goes well with rice, roti, parantha or anything that you like. It is Karela fry with some onions, tomatoes and potatoes. So let's begin with the process. Here I am taking one medium-sized onion, one medium-sized potato, one medium-sized tomato, and also we need some bitter gourd. I am using 6 of them. I am removing the edges and will chop that into 2 pieces. Now with the help of a knife, I will remove the seeds. You can follow any process to remove the seeds, or if you do not mind cooking them with the seeds, you can do that as well. So here I am removing all the seeds from both the pieces and then we'll chop them into small ring-like sizes. So here we are done with the chopping. Alternately, you can also remove the edges and then start chopping the Karela. Once you are done chopping, you can remove the seeds. So here I am done with all the chopping and these are the seeds. Once done, I will transfer the Karela in a big bowl, will add some salt and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, we'll proceed with chopping the other ingredients. Here I am chopping the onion, the potato, and after about 15 minutes, I will squeeze out the excess water from Karela. So all its bitterness will go in that water only and you will not get any bitter taste while having this fry. Discard the water. Now I am also chopping the tomato. And here we have all the ingredients ready and chopped. So let's start with cooking. I'm heating up a frying pan and adding mustard oil. You can add any oil that you like. Adding pinch of jeera or cumin. Once oil is heated up, we'll start frying the onions. Allow the onion to cook in low flame until they turn golden brown. Once done, adding the potatoes. And we'll allow them to cook as well in low flame and cover it with a lid. After about 2 minutes, I am adding the Karela and also the tomatoes. Adding salt as per taste, pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of homemade jeera powder and mix well. Cover with a lid and keep checking every 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to keep the flame low. After about 10 minutes, we can see that potatoes are a little cooked. At this stage, I will switch off the flame and leave it like this with a lid. After about 15 to 20 minutes, potatoes are a little more cooked. So we basically allowed the ingredients to cook and steam. Now I'm again switching on the flame and will cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes in low flame. Just make sure to keep checking every 2-3 minutes. Once they are done and ready, I'm adding some fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything well and switch off the flame. So here we have this easy side dish recipe all ready to be served. I'm serving this in a plain white plate. And adding some more fresh coriander from top. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.